Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about crochet handbag designs and ideas. Best designer ideas you can see in this my video. Crochet handbags are very stylish and creative. Many people love crochet bags because they are handmade and unique. They are not only useful but also a great fashion accessory. Crochet handbags can be made in many shapes, sizes and colors. They are perfect for daily use, shopping, casual outings and even special occasions because they are handmade. Every crochet bag can have a special design and personal touch. One popular design is the simple crochet handbag. This type of bag has a clean and classic look. It is made with simple crochet stitches and strong yarn. Simple crochet handbags are perfect for everyday use and easy to match with many outfits. Another beautiful style is the granny square crochet bag. Granny squares are small crochet squares that are joined together to create a bag. Each square can have a different color, which makes the bag look bright and colorful. Granny square bags are very creative and popular among crochet lovers. The round crochet squares handbag. It is also a trendy design. This bag has a round shape and looks very modern and stylish. Many people like to use round crochet bags in summer because they look light and fashionable. Another idea is a crochet tote bag. Tote bags are large and spacious, which makes them perfect for shopping or carrying many items. Crochet tote bags are strong and comfortable to carry. They are also very practical for daily life. There are also small crochet handbags that look cute and elegant. These bags are perfect for parties, dinners or special events. Small crochet bags can be decorated with buttons, beads or beautiful patterns to make them more attractive. Color choice is very important in crochet handbag. Bright colors like red, yellow and blue make the bag look cheerful and fun. Soft colors give a calm and elegant look. You can also mix different colors to create a unique design. Crochet handbags can also have different handles. Some bags have long shoulder straps, while others have short handle to carry in the hand. You can even add wooden, bamboo or metal handle to make the bag look more stylish. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.